A story I've heard since childhood involving two swordsmiths named Muramasa and Masamune may illustrate this point more clearly. Both were renowned as master blacksmiths who produced excellent swords, prized among the samurai. However, the character of Muramasa is said to be jealous and cynical. His ambition and keen sense of competition motivated him to concentrate on forging blades that cut keenly. So, Muramasa created brilliant swords. Any samurai who possessed a Muramasa sword, it was said, felt its power and quality, and was urged to cut people mercilessly. Masamune's swords, on the other hand, were said to give owners a sense of confidence and serenity. The quality of a blade is much more than how well it will cut. True quality also relates itself to attitude and motivation. A blade forged by a young blacksmith can be both beautiful and well capable of cutting edge, but its beauty partly stems from the youth and physical vitality of the maker. A true high-quality blade forged out of maturity, physical vitality tempered with spiritual calm, sharpness balanced with serenity.